Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Art Core. So today we are going to paint Satoru Gojo, my new favorite anime character, from Jujutsu Kaisen. What's your favorite character from Jujutsu Kaisen? Tell me in the comment, and I will paint that character for you. Let's start. For skin use, 80% white, 5% red, 5% yellow, 5% brown. For skin dark tone, 80% previous skin color plus 20% brown. For glass frisk, thin layer of cobalt buhl. For eyeball, use Prussian blue, white, sky blue, cobalt blue. Then add some light and blend it. For hair, eyelash, and eyebrow, use 20% purple, 75% white, 5% cobalt blue. For shirt use, Prussian blue, 255 mauve, and black, as your wish. Then cover the whole page like this. For background effect, first wet the page and then apply color as you like. Now finish outline with pen. So, this is the final look of our Satoru Gojo painting from Jujutsu Kaisen. How is it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe for more new videos like this. Thank you for watching.